Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast to you outlining how you can generate more customers to your business. So first thing, looking at your guys' website, while it is definitely great to have a website up, for you guys, I would definitely recommend building out this homepage a little more. Adding some more pictures and content on this page would definitely help you guys out. Overall with not only your rankings but also your conversions once people are coming to your guys' website. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches, and what they found from this is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So with that content, you also want to make sure you're including the search terms or keywords that you really want your business to be found for. So when people are making these searches on Google, you guys are the businesses that are popping up for those search results. So another thing I would definitely recommend is you have your contact form here. Putting that contact form on this homepage will also really help with those conversions, just because people are looking for the businesses that are easiest to get a hold of. So putting that contact form on this homepage to allow people to get a hold of you guys without having to search through your site for that would definitely help you guys out with your conversions. Then the last thing is your guys' phone number. So I don't see it listed at all on this homepage, and that might completely be by design. But if not, definitely I would recommend getting that on this homepage and making sure that it is a click to call. With as oftentimes as people are doing mobile search these days, having that be click to call is especially important, just so they're able to connect with your business, in an easy manner. So looking at keywords, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. I couldn't find a lot of search volume in the Hamilton area. I did look it up, Cincinnati only being, about 8 miles away, or about 20 minutes. I was able to find quite a bit in the Cincinnati area. And this is just what I found in a short amount of time, but I just wasn't really able to find too much focus just on the Hamilton, Ohio area. But just to give you a rundown of what I did find, so bath and remodel Cincinnati, you're getting 250 searches per month. Construction companies in Cincinnati, 250. Home remodeling Cincinnati, 200. Being in the top spot for one of these search terms, you can figure on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So definitely a lot of potential customers who are out there searching for the services you're offering that you're missing out on by not having your website a little bit more optimized and ranked for some of these search terms that you really should be going after. So what we're going to be focusing on today is construction companies in Cincinnati. I'm going to kind of show you what the competition is for those. We'll look at their website, and then we'll see what you have to do in order to pass these guys up. These same principles or same idea of what I'm going to go over just for construction companies in Cincinnati applies to all the different search terms. It's this is kind of the same process you would look at for each search term that you want to get your business ranked for. So looking at construction companies in Cincinnati, there's a couple different things we look at here. So obviously, maybe not obviously, but everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands exactly what they're seeing here. So this is the Google My Business or 3-pack. This is very valuable territory to have your business in because it gives you one more opportunity to put your business in front of the eyes of your potential customers. So by having your business here in this 3-pack and ranked organically, that's 2 pieces of real estate on this first page of Google search that you guys can really be occupying by having everything optimized out correctly. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. The first one is what's known as citations, and obviously building out a GMB would be your first step. But getting that GMB ranked, the first step is citations, and citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. So some great citation sources you could find, some examples would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, even your Facebook page can count as a citation source if you're listing that business name, address, and phone number on that. So the more citation sources you have, the better your odds are of being on this first page of Google. Another factor is actually your business's organic rankings. So where you sit organically in these search results also plays a big factor as to if you're going to be in this 3-pack. So what we're going to be looking at for organic search results is business journals. I'm not going to really include them because that's more of like a directory site. Yellow Pages, same thing. So what we're going to be going down to is meganconstruction.com. We're going to be comparing your site to what they currently have going on. So looking at their website, I already have it pulled up here. Looking at their site, it is very basic as well. So definitely, if you guys were to really optimize out your website and get some of this content added to it, I'm very confident that you guys will be able to pass them up in that regard. Looking at the back end of their website, well, there's a couple different things we're looking for here. Referring domains and organic keywords. Or sorry, backlinks and referring domains. Sorry, I apologize. Backlinks and referring domains. So the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have website A and website B. And website A is the most popular kid in school, and website B is the least popular kid. And the most popular kid, by linking himself to the least popular kid, what happens is it in turn brings up that popularity of the least popular kid and brings him up in the search results. So you want to have more backlinks and more referring domains than what your competition has. Now with these referring domains, you also need to make sure that they're do follow. And that do follow is important because that means you're getting what's called backlink juice or popularity coming back to your website. So they currently have 825 backlinks from 94 referring domains, which is the big number here, but only 69 of those are do follow. So very doable to pass these guys up. They do not have that many do follow backlinks. Looking at your guys' website, you guys currently don't have any metrics showing up for your site. That's not to say that you guys still couldn't pass them up, but you definitely have some work to do in the backlinks and referring domains. But again, that 94 number is really not, or that 69 number is really not over the top. You guys could definitely get more backlinks than them up there, and I'm confident that you'd be able to claim all this search traffic headed towards your guys' business. And there's a lot more search opportunities out there for your guys' business. And this was just on, touching on a couple of the different services you're offering. So if you have any questions on this, definitely reach out, and I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.